In this video, I show you how to repair a leaky garden hose connection. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. The plastic connector on my garden hose is cracked, so I disconnected the leaky connector. I've cut the end of the hose. I'm using my pruning shears, but you could cut the hose with a knife. I bought a solid aluminum coupler that came with stainless steel hose clamps. There are lots of different replacement coupling options on the market. My replacement set came with both a female and a male coupling and 2 hose clamps. When shopping for a replacement coupling, you'll need to know the diameter of your hose. Hose diameters come in 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 of an inch, up to 3/4 of an inch. With the female hose coupling replaced and the water back on, I tightened the hose clamp to stop it from dripping. However, I realized my hose reel is also leaking. That will be a fix for another day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.